Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to create a immutable class in Java. So I've already got one here. The basic concepts, I'm not going to keep it too long. I know you don't want to listen to all this stuff. So basically add final to your class, make all your values, so like your strings, your I don't know if they're integers, make them all private, make them all final, so it's like a constant as pi. So if you've got pi, we don't want to change pi, so we're going to make it final, it cannot be changed. Here we've just got a basic constructor, and then we've just got two getters. There's no setters and anything else that can make this changeable once it's been declared. This is, if it does get declared, we'll have some sort of immutable objects at, and these by default are thread safe anyhow, so they can be shared without synchronization in a concurrent environment. Immutable objects simplify development because it's easier to share between multiple threads without external synchronization. And these do boost performance because we're not using synchronization in code. Another important benefit is the reusability of this particular code. You can cache this object, we can reuse them, much like integers, strings, we can use static factory methods, all sorts of stuff. Maybe I'm just rambling on here, but we can use all this stuff because it's in terms of code, it's very reusable. There is a certain disadvantage in terms of an immutable object, because when we're creating some sort of immutable object, it cannot be reused. We can just use and then throw it away, basically. String being a prime example. So when we create a lot of, say, garbage strings, like tons of string objects, they're just going to slow down the performance to you because we're using heavy usage on the garbage collection, and therefore that gets a bit extreme. A string, again, that's immutable, we're creating that. Once it's created, we can't do much with it, to be honest, unless you want to keep creating a new string object. And that's how you basically write an immutable class in Java. Final, make your variables private, don't allow any access in. And as you can see, the reason we have, let's have a look here, made this final here is because we want to avoid putting, our immutability at risk by, due to inheritance and polymorphism. So we've got it final on here. Everything's pretty much locked down at this point. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if not, we are going to continue looking at strings and a bunch of string methods. So yeah, if you don't want to look at the string stuff, just skip it for the next 10-15 videos. But some of these string methods are really helpful. So yeah, thanks for taking time to watch this video, and I shall see you in the next one.